Okay, so tonight I'm cooking with tomato paste. We're making some Argentinian red shrimp, a couple of lobster tails, and lots of sweet corn. I'm cooking it in tomato paste and diced tomatoes with garlic and other seasonings. We're also having roasted garlic, roasted broccoli in the oven, sprinkled Parmesan cheese and red pepper flakes. I'm using a 6.5 ounce tube of tomato paste, triple concentrated tomato paste from Italy. This is 6.5 ounces, and the can of organic tomato paste that I usually buy at Costco is 6 ounces. So one thing about cooking with tomato paste, you never really believe that you got all the tomato paste out of the can or the tube. I did my best here. So we're going to cook the tomato paste for about 20 minutes and then deglaze it by adding some wine or stock. I have some seafood stock I could use. Then adding the diced tomatoes, then adding the seafood. I'm going to be boiling the shrimp, which are frozen at only about 3 minutes. Those should be cooked. So I'm deglazing the tomato paste, and I'm leaving the cover on so it doesn't splatter. I'll add diced tomatoes, some seasonings, and the seafood. Lots of sliced garlic. Seasoning this with 5 spice pepper and a spice blend from Penzeys, which has no salt in it. Singapore seasoning. Another no salt seasoning from Penzeys, jerk. Frozen sweet corn, organic. Some red wine from Chile. The red shrimp go in after about 3.5 minutes in the boiling water. We added some lemon juice. It's garnished with some Italian parsley and green onions. Here's the finished product, a small bowl. Tried the lobster, it's done. Shrimp are very tender as well. Enjoy. Here's the broccoli. Follow the directions on the Earthbound Farm bag. You can see it's burnt, so maybe an initial lower heat. The directions were 425 for 30 minutes, so maybe 300 for 45 minutes might have been more appropriate. This is sprinkled with Parmesan, grated Parmesan, red pepper flakes, some lemon juice, chopped arugula.